Yes, it's Muhammad Nabil speaking.
This is Daniel Mathis calling from VOC radio station, and now the interview with Goolaam, Fakier and Luqman for VOC breakfast.
Yes.
Okay, are you ready for the interview?
Yes, I am.
That's great. Can you just stay on the line for me, and then I will introduce you, and then Goolaam will conduct the interview.
Okay, inshallah, no problem.
Okay, shukran so much. Just stay on the line for me, please. Shukran.
iPhone.
In his cash and carry, Devlin Epping, Devlin Mitchell Slade, Devlin Paul, in a power trade, Fairfield Meat Centre, and Strand Cash and Carry.
Bring your whole family and make your life so much easier with One Up Cash and Carry. We use more for less and excellent customer service at its best. Remember, wholesale prices straight to the public. One Up Cash and Carry, where you get more for less.
Your Tuesdays just got a whole lot better at Golkakio Canal Walk. If you buy 2 meals, you'll get another one for free. Every Tuesday at Golkakio Canal Walk, where you'll find the most awesome wood-fired pizzas, sumptuous pastas, and gourmet salads made with the finest, freshest ingredients. Drop in anytime for a delicious mocktail at Shop 167, Entrance 3 or 7 Canal Walk Shopping Centre, or call 021 5511 658 for all info and bookings. Serving until 9 p.m. daily. Golkakio Canal Walk. It's more than a menu, it's a celebration. Chocolate pizza.
Big and small, flexible.
Any single large pizza plus any small pizza, just 99 rand. All the choices.
Top for cheese, I'll pick my favorite and say please.
Choose your piece. Take what thing.
Order online or call it in.
Only 99 rand for any single large pizza plus any single small pizza from the Bottery. That's right. Any single large pizza plus any small pizza, just 99 rand. Roman's Pizza. Best pizza, best value.
Available at Roman's Pizza Atlas.
The Roman's Pizza Promenade. And yes, that's right. Only 99 rand.
Little bare feet on the icy wet ground. A shiver at his lips. Mud on his clothes. When he is cold, the hunger is worse. The nights are longer, and the pain is more severe. What if this was your child? The Al-Imdad Foundation's Global Winter Appeal allows you to make a difference for refugees, IDPs, and struggling communities in 21 countries globally. Sponsor a winter pack today for just 600 rand. Donate online at alimdad.com or call 0861 786 243. VOC Breakfast, weekdays 6:30 to 9 a.m. Only on the Voice of the Cape.
So remember, Luqman, earlier I told you about somebody who inboxed me and they said, Goolaam, I wanted to talk to you about this free maths lesson being conducted via YouTube and
Muhammad, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam, I'm on.
Okay, just hold on the line. You're going live now.
Okay.
Morning, Muhammad Nabil, assalamu alaikum, and shukran for joining us.
Walaikum salam, Goolaam and Luqman.
Nabil, so you messaged me, right, and I didn't understand exactly what it is you meant, but you said something to the effect of you conducting online maths tuition.
Yes, that is correct, Goolaam. Basically what happened, and the reason for me starting this YouTube channel was, if I take you back a couple of months, a year and a few months in, when COVID just started and schools were closed, right? So basically what I did was I had to make, I chose to make maths lessons for our learners so that they can watch it when they're at home during the lockdown. And so we basically covered part of the syllabus that was lost in the lockdown for all my grades. So basically what we needed to do was we needed to store these videos, as we know that videos are fairly large. So we needed to store videos, and I had a Google Drive that had 15 gigs, which basically everybody gets, right?
Right.
So thereafter, basically a student of mine was from another school that was watching the videos, which mind you is the top learner at the TLC. and he suggested that why don't we secure 100 gigs online through this Google Drive, and he did so, and he actually paid for the space on the drive. Yeah. So the 100 gigs also got too little, and he offered to pay for 200 gigs, and I told him, no man, let's rather look at other avenues, and that's how we ended on YouTube. Basically, we can upload any space for free. Yeah.
Yeah. So which grades do you cater for?
Basically, we're looking at grades 8 to 12. It's the whole of high school basically that can make use of it. Yeah.
Would you say it's user-friendly?
Yes, it is. Say for argument's sake, the learner is in grade 12 now, right?
Yeah.
And he's struggling with a problem in paper 2. Say he's struggling with trigonometry, okay? But he always had a problem with trigonometry, okay? So trigonometry is basically a paper 2 topic which started in grade 10. So what he does is he finds the grade 10 folder, paper 2. It's marked in the playlist, grade 10 paper 2. He goes and he finds the trigonometry lessons. Then he watches all that 5 or 6 lessons on trigonometry. He does the little exercises I give him within that within that video, and then once he has mastered that, he goes and finds grade 11 paper 2 topic, paper 2 folder or playlist. He watches those trigonometry topics, and with that he has enough information, and the groundwork is done and laid solid for the grade 12 trigonometry. Yeah, so I think it's fairly user friendly. Yeah.
So what do they search? They go onto YouTube, and what do they search?
They search for Muhammad Nabil Bardin or mathematics with Muhammad Nabil Bardin. My name will come up.
I'm doing it as I'm speaking to you now because I want to see how user friendly this is. So you spell it, Muhammad.
It's MOGAMAT.
Yeah.
Nabil is NABEEL.
It's actually coming up as a pretext, actually. Oh, nice. Okay. And then in here, I see there are many mathematics June 2021 paper 1 and 2 that was delivered by the DBE. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, what we did was I took those papers, the DBE paper, and I actually made a video explaining each and every question in that paper. Yeah. So all they need to do is they need to get subscribe to my channel, and they can use it as they need to and as they please. They can share it with their friends, and it's totally free. That's the nice thing of it.
Wow. Okay. So it's completely free. All they need to do is to type in Muhammad Nabil Bardin on YouTube, and all the lessons. I can tell you, I'm going through some of it now. I can see there are probably like 9 videos that is linked to grade 8 past papers, 9 videos for grade 12 June, which includes June 2021 paper 1 and 2, grade 11 papers, grade 9 papers. Anybody that wants information about this, please do me a favor. WhatsApp me Goolaam 029 913 913. I will send you the link to Nabil's YouTube page, and all they need to do is to subscribe to it, and they will have access to it, but it's completely free, right, Nabil?
That's absolutely correct, Goolaam.
So even like myself, ek was te slim gewees om wiskunde te gooi hulle vir my in 'n history class.
But today they'll put you in maths lit. Don't worry, you'll get some form of maths.
Plus a little bit too big. But listen, so now for somebody like me, and I'm not even telling you a word of a lie. I can probably assist my kids with any part of the homework, but when it gets to maths, I personally don't understand. Are you telling me, Nabil, that if I were to go through some of these question papers and follow your formulas, that I'll be able to understand it thereafter?
No, absolutely. All my lessons is caps aligned, so it is a very, very primitive, very, how can I say, in line with caps. So everything that they need is in this videos, basically. Yeah.
Wow. Nabil, so again, that handle is, of course, just for, goodness, this messages are going absolutely crazy at this stage. But all they need to do is to search for Nabil, Muhammad Nabil Bardin, and they will get all the details there, right?
That's correct, yeah.
That's fun. Would you still say that maths is fun?
No, maths has always been fun for me. So hopefully my energy will rub off on them, or they will see the light side of it at the end of the tunnel.
In fact, I'm going to ask our social media team to also maybe just share the link with you as well. Lukman, or do you think you can follow the tips?
I'm on here already. Nabil, thanks very much for doing this for our learners. I mean, it's very easy to follow. And what's the feedback been like from one of the students?
Basically, from my students, these lessons are done every day in class. Okay. So what happens is I have a grade 1, grade 8, 1 grade 9, 1 grade 10, 11, and 1 grade 12 class. So basically, what I do is I actually record the lessons. I actually give them, and what they do is as they engage with me in terms of asking questions and things like that, all of these things gets picked up on the mic as well. So the learner who's sitting and watching the video will actually hear in the background, common asked questions, and I highlight also common mistakes that is made from learners, because I'm part of the team that marks the grade 12 paper 2 at the end of the year for the NCS as well. So you with that you also pick up what is common made errors by other students. So we try and overcome all of those things as well.
Yeah, well done. Nabil, now, if somebody were to follow your link, and I'm forwarding this to many people as well, I'm going to ask them to post it on our social media. But if somebody were to, go through your lessons, let's say, for example, a grade 9 learner of last year is going through grade 10 papers this year, can they expect changes in the papers, or does the formula or the process still remain unchanged?
At the moment, it's all the same. So there's nothing really that has changed in terms of the curriculum. The formulas will always change. The formulas will always stay the same for the topics involved.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it is very, very appropriate to any learner in grade 9 doing maths. Yeah. Throughout South Africa.
We're going to have to leave it there, Nabil, but before we do that, just very quickly, I've always wanted to use the word Pythagoras. But I don't know what
Basically, Pythagoras is the calculation of a right angle triangle, given that you have one of the sides are unknown and two of the sides are known. So you can calculate it using a formula.
Okay, say that again.
Okay, Pythagoras is basically done in a right angle triangle. Okay, it can't be done in any other triangles. It has to be done in a right angle triangle. Okay, you need to know two sides, and one of the sides are unknown, and you can calculate that unknown side.
Yeah.
Okay, for Pythagoras, you go to the grade 8, paper 2, and you'll see the whole lesson of Pythagoras. You'll see this Pythagoras. I think it's about 3 or 4 lessons I've spent. It's taking it from the beginning and building you up to where you need to be, basically. But I have something to give away to your listeners this morning.
Oh, okay.
Basically, at my school at St. Susie High School,
Yeah.
I do grade 12 lessons for free, okay?
Oh my goodness.
On a Friday afternoon. And that runs from 2 o'clock, from after Jumu'ah till 4 o'clock. So it's basically a 2-hour session.
Yeah.
Okay.
And where is the place?
It's at St. Susie High School in Newlands. That's the school I'm at.
Okay. So whoever wants to come and brush up on their maths every Friday 2 to 4 p.m. at the school, right?
Yes, and I have a place for basically 5 learners. I only have 5 seats available left.
So you've got five seats left.
Yes, so the first 5 people who phones in with regards to this, they have to be grade 12, and the main focus is paper 2, which is the sore point between the 2 papers as well.
Wow, well done. Shukran so much.
This is O'Shea, the principal.
No, she left. She's at another school. We have Miss Humphreys is there now.
You didn't know what the Pythagoras was. Listen, we're going to have to leave it there. Nabil, shukran so much for making contact with me via my social media. And when I read it, I was like, how is this even true? I was like, Ms. Lowe, can you check this out before we get Nabil on air? But shukran so much. I will, for the first 5 people that come through on our WhatsApp line, I will let them know that they need to come to you. There are 5 seats left, so Nabil, all the best, inshallah. And shukran so much for this beautiful initiative.
Afwan, no problem. All they need to do is make dua for me, Goolaam.
always a make dua for all of us as well.
Inshallah, will do.
Shukran so much,
Afwan.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullah.
Wa alaikum salam.